Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to show you my order from Colourpop was just delivered today, so I am so excited. I have a full face on. I just didn't do my eyes because there's a lot of palettes in here and I can't wait to try one of them at least. So let's open it up. Oh my god, you guys, it's like beautifully bubble wrapped and I love the purple. This is my favorite color, as you know by now, and this just looks gorgeous. Oh, how cute. Do you see that? It says you're looking fabulous. I know, thank you. Here's my invoice, and oh, I need a table for all this stuff. Okay, so I have two eyeliners, which they are kind of smushed, if you can see. Yeah. Hey, as long as the products are still good, I'm not mad. These are the two colors I ordered. They're both cream gel eyeliners, and these are two colors that I do not have. The only reason why I only ordered two is because I want to try out their formula first, and if I like it, I will order more, of course. The first palette I want to show you guys is the Bye Birdie. How cute is the packaging? That is gorgeous. Look at the details on it. It's even got the gold little trim over here. Let's open it up together. Ready? Oh my god. How gorgeous. It's freaking beautiful. I'm not gonna swatch all of them right now, but I will insert swatches in the video. I'll swatch a couple right now. I think I'm gonna swatch this one right here. It's the matte with glitter, I believe, and it's called Fly By Night. All right. Ooh. Dang, that is so pretty, guys. Can you see the glitter in the matte? Wow, that is gorgeous. Super gorgeous. Let's swatch Ariel. Oh, that is pretty. I'm gonna swatch one more. I think I'm gonna swatch one of the glitters. Yeah, these two are glitters. I think I'm gonna swatch, I mean, this one looks gorgeous, so let's, you guys. Oh, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it is like a multicolor, multi-reflect. I don't know, that it just looks gorgeous. It looks beautiful. Next palette is the Lilac You A Lot. And of course, I was gonna get this one. I mean, I love purple, so yeah, I was gonna get this one. So that's what the palette looks like. Well, that didn't show anything. Oh my gosh. These colors are beautiful. I am in love. All right. What are we gonna swatch? What are we gonna swatch? I am going to swatch this one, which is Ghostin'. Ooh, how beautiful. Let's see. That is a beautiful color. All right, now let's swatch. I want to swatch, let's do Fluff, which is this one. That's pretty. That is so pretty. And I want to do Iffy, which is this one right here. That is a nice purple. Purples are really hard to formulate, and that's actually not bad. Next palette is the Smoke Show. This one I'm really excited for. I don't have colors like this one, but here's a palette. And let's open it up. Wow. Oh, wow. This looks so prettier in person compared to the pictures. This one's really, really gorgeous. I love the colors. We're gonna swatch Night Dream, which is this one. You guys, that is beautiful. That is a matte with glitter, just like the one from the Bye Birdie. Wow, that's beautiful. Let's swatch Ignite, which is this one right here. That's pretty. That is so pretty. Next, I want to swatch Starstruck, which is this one right here. Beautiful, beautiful metallic. Let's see. Wow. That feels so smooth. It's so reflective. It is so cute. This is a gorgeous palette. I think I'm going to do a look with this one. I'm not sure. We still have one more. Last but certainly not least is the Disney Midnight Masquerade. Oh, let's open this bad boy up. You guys, the packaging, my gosh, this packaging is gorgeous. Now let's open her up. You guys, you don't know how much this means to me. I am such a Disney fan. I love all the Disney princesses and stuff. Look how beautiful they look on here. Yes, 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 yes. And that's what they look like. Okay, what am I gonna swatch? let's swatch the shade Damsel right here. That's a beautiful mauve color right there. Next, I want to swatch Frog and Wife. This one right here. That one's so pretty. It's got like a gold reflect. That is cute. Next shade I want to swatch is Gaston, which is right here. Oh wow, you guys, that color is gorgeous. I love how deep red, how much of a deep red that is. That's beautiful. And last shade I want to try is Mrs. Potts right here. Beautiful. That's definitely a Beauty and the Beast color right there. You guys, I am excited. I don't know which colors I want to use. I'm not sure which palette I want to use. Let's see, what palette do I use? What palette do I use? You know what? We're gonna go with Lilac You a Lot. First shade I want to use is Ghostin', which is this one right here. I'm not sure what look I'm going with. We're just gonna roll with it, guys. We're just gonna roll with it and see what we come up with. Do you see that pigment? That is a gorgeous shade, guys. So gorgeous. It looks pretty pink in the pan. On the lid, it looks more purple tone. At least in my opinion. I don't know. What do you guys think? Does it look pink or does it look purple? Whatever it is, it applies so beautifully, guys. I am literally shook, guys. The color payoff is just so beautiful. All right, next shade I'm gonna go in is with the color Iffy, which is this beautiful purple. And I'm gonna apply that on the outer corner and the center of the crease. Alright, I'm going to add Iffy to my lower lash line. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Wake Me. I'm going to add a little bit of Fluffy in the center. Now I do want to use one of the liners, and I think this look would look perfect with the silver metallic looking one. Let's see what it looks like. That's pretty intense for an eyeliner. Here, I'll swatch the red one for you guys. That's pretty good too. Alright, I'm gonna add some liner and mascara and I'll be right back. Alright, I was gonna end it right there, but I'm gonna add a cloud to my inner corners. Alright guys, that's the completed look. I really love that palette. I really love this palette. And I love them all. I will insert swatches like I said. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want me to do more looks with each of these palettes, just comment down below and let me know. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.